Hello, welcome back to the Cloudwaale. Here in this video, we are going to see the Salesforce Sales Cloud demo. So I'm going to show you the fresh developer org, and in that developer org, I'll show you how to use the Sales Cloud application to track your sales. So let's start with the login first. So to log in into the Salesforce, you have to use the login.salesforce.com URL, and let me log in with my latest org which I have created. And this is a fresh developer org. I have not made any changes in this developer org, so you'll be able to find all the fresh details. So once login is successfully done, system will redirect you to the setup page. As we have this admin account, so it's redirecting you to the setup. So what you have to do, you have to click on this 9 dot matrix and select the sales application. Once you select the sales application, you can see the different modules available in that sales application over here. So now you can see these tabs are not arranged properly. Okay, so what I'll do first, I'll just modify the tabs and then we'll show you the demo how we can use the Sales Cloud application. Let's try modifying. For to modify it, I have to click on this pencil icon so I can modify tabs sequence for myself. So let me arrange the sequence properly. So first we'll add the campaign. Then from campaign we can generate the inquiries, leads. So we'll add the leads. After leads, we'll add accounts, contacts, opportunity, then task file. I'll keep it as it is. Chatter is also important tab, so I'll keep it as a first tab. Before home, sorry, before home I have to keep the chatter, and then other thing I think we'll keep as it is. So let's save this. Okay, so this is the first thing which I have done to make it look and feel better. So now we'll go ahead and explain you about the home page. So on home page you'll find this quarterly performance chart. So for each sales executive or salesperson, whatever opportunities he are working on, so whether he has how many opportunities he has in the closed, then open opportunity, that everything you can track from this quarterly performance chart. And by using this goal, you can set up your target. For an example, you have to target to achieve for current month or current year. So what you can do, you can set up that target over here. So this chart is for quarterly performance. So for that particular quarter, whatever target you have, you can set up that target over here. So system will show you whether you are achieve this, or now you can see this 1 million is target, so you have achieved that. This is how this quarterly performance chart is showing. Then after that, you'll be able to find the today's events, whatever meetings you have scheduled on that particular day, and that will be visible over here. So right now we have not modified any data or anything, or not set up any event, so it's showing the blank over here. But I'll go ahead and I'll create that task event, and then we'll come back to you. Come back to this section. Okay. Again, you'll be able to find the recent record which we have created, or open the record, so that will be visible over here. Key deals. So whatever opportunities you have with the highest value, that key deals will be visible over here. And next thing we have is the assistant. This assistant is nothing but the AI feature. What this assistant will do, it will scan your data like a lead, opportunity, okay, and it will show you those records where your salesperson has not performed any activity. For an example, you can see this first lead. Uh, this lead, if he didn't perform any activity for a few days, so system will show you that kind of lead and opportunities over here. Okay, so this is how we can this is how your dash homepage look like. Okay, also apart from this homepage, you'll have these few options. Notification, this is your profile, so you can see your profile picture, and if you want to change it, you can change it from here. Then you have this notification. Whatever notification are required, like a lead, a task assign, or task overdue notification, that kind of notification will be visible here. The setup icon will be visible only for admin. Then if you require any help from Salesforce, so you can click on this question mark, and here you'll be able to find the documentation as well as videos. Then this trailhead guidance center is there. You can see this will guide you on different topics. Also, you can learn Salesforce by using this trailheads. So this option is also there. This plus icon is a shortcut. If you want to create task or any new records, so without going to that particular tab, you can create it from here. So this is nothing but your global actions. Again, this favorite list is there. You can mark any lead or any opportunity as or customer as a favorite customer, and you can track it from here. So this is this global search. So whenever you need whatever records you need to search from here, you can just type it, and system will search that data in all of the modules. Next mod, this is about homepage and the global app actions. Now we'll go ahead and we'll show you the chatters. So this chatter option is available here in the Salesforce to have the internal communication. For an example, you now most of the people use WhatsApp or any other application to communicate between team. But if you subscribe to the Salesforce, you'll have this chatter option, so you can have communication within your team. For an example, you can just uh, create post, and you can add mention whom you need to send it to your followers, or even though you have option to create the stream as well as groups. So you can see your recent groups option is available. So by using this recent group option, you can just click on new, and you will be able to create the new group. Okay, and here you can define the access type, whether it's a broadcast only or allow customer. If you want to allow your customer to interact with this group, so these kind of options are available. Okay. Also, apart from group, you can have the streams also, and you can send one-to-one message from here. So now we have seen the post. Now again we have this poll option is available. You can create poll and submit it to the particular post or group, so that user can react to that poll, and you can analyze the result. As well as this question is also there. You can ask the question in this chatter group. So this is the chatter option which we can use for the communication. In here you can see what I follow. Then to me, and if you anybody tags you in the chatter post, you can see that over here in the to me section. Okay, and that's it in the chatter module. Next, we'll go to the campaign. So what are the different marketing campaign you are executing or you are running? That all campaign will be visible over here in the campaign tab. You can see this recently viewed campaigns. So here you can see GM product webinar which happened on 7th. So you can open that campaign, and you can see all the details of that campaign over here. So you can track your daily marketing campaigns over here. So you can provide the campaign name, whether it's active or not, type, status, then start and date. Then here this field expected revenue in the campaign, expected budget cost. Okay, so that all things we can capture from here. And again, in related list, you can capture what are the different opportunities you got from that campaign, or what are the different leads you have received from the campaign. So that information is visible on the related section. So this is all about the campaign. Also, if you are performing some activities related to that campaign, for an example, some task, some event, or you are sending some emails, so that all we can track by using this activity section. So this activity section I'll explain you later in the lead module. Okay. So now once we're done with the campaign, so what are the different leads we are capturing from that campaign that will be visible over here in the lead section. So this is the new list view recently Salesforce has launched. It's called intelligent view, but we'll come back to later on this intelligent view. So we'll go to the standard list view first. So For that, I have to click on list view, and here you can see system will show you all the inquiries or lead records over here in the list view format. So here you can see name of the lead, company, then state, email, that all the information is there. So basically, once you click on this name, system will show you the detail about that a particular person who has inquired for your product. Okay. So now you can see this Vartha Boxer is the person who has inquired about some product, and they are looking for some product for agriculture industry. Likewise, this all the information will get captured over here. Basically, lead Salesforce has provided option to capture three kind of information. One is personal detail, then company information, and third one is the product information. So these are the different standard fields available on the lead. Okay, and if you need to create a new lead, you have a new option over here in the lead tab. Here you have new option. Once you click on new, system will ask you to fill up this mandatory information, and you can save that lead. This is one of the option, but by using customization, we can create. We have different options that we require customization, but standard we can use this one. As well as import is also a standard option. We can import data by using Excel file. So let's say now I'm a salesperson. I got this lead, and I'm working on this lead. So if I were to set up some meeting, or I have done some call with this person, so if you want to track that all the call information, I can track it from over here in the logo call option. So let's say for this Bertha boxer, I have called that person, and I discussed regarding some product. So what I can do, I can log that information over here. So later on, whenever my manager or some other person is looking at the lead, they will get to know all the information, what communication we are having with this person. So let's discuss about products. Okay, and this is related to the birth. So, so what I have logged one call. I can see over here on the timeline. So what communication I'm having with this person, that I have tracked. Also, this person asked me to call back after 1 week. So what I'll do, I'll just schedule one task for me. Okay, and for subject, I'll give the call due date within 8 day. They asked me to call, so I'll mark it as a next date for next week. Status is not started. So that means I have scheduled one task for myself, so that system will send me the notification, and next week whenever I start working on my daily activities, system will show you this activity. Okay. Also, if you need to schedule a meeting for next week, you can, or any other date, what you can do, you can use this event. So we can click on new event. For example, meeting, and date we have to select for that meeting. So let's say 6th, and time also you have to select whether it's all day event, related to which lead, location, that all information we can track, and we can save it. So now we can see one call I have done one call with this person. They asked me to call back again on next week, so I have scheduled one meeting, and also I have scheduled one task for myself. Okay. Now if you need to send some documents or anything to the person, you don't need to go to your email or anywhere. You can use this email option. Just click on this email, and from here itself you can send the from here itself you can send the email. So now here you can see, once you click on this email, you have this subject option. You can type that subject body from here itself, or else you option to select the templates. So you can create a standard template over here in the Salesforce, and you can just click and get that template. Okay. Right now we don't have any template available over here, so its system is not showing any result. But yes, there are some, here you can see in the classic template, sample templates are available created by Salesforce, so you can use that template, or else you can create your own template. And whenever you are sending the email, you no need to create type all the content. You just go ahead and select the template. Also, you have option to attach the file over here. You can select the file. So you can select the files from the Salesforce itself, or else you can browse it from your local system. Okay, and attach it to the mail. Also, we'll get all these formatting options available as you get that in the email. So let me do one thing. Let me there Partha, Miss Partha. Okay, thank you for your time for meeting. So I'm just sending one sample email. Okay, and send it. Okay, so this person will receive that email, and also it will get tracked on your timeline. So here you can see we have not specified subject for that email, so it will get tracked over here, and also it is showing unopened. Okay, that means this task is not this email is not open from the uh, customer. So this kind of information we can track it over here on the timeline. So all the activities will be visible over here. Okay, and this now we'll go ahead and we'll go to the chatter section. So also this chatter option we have seen on the separate tab, but it is available across all the tabs. So for an example, whenever you are having any communication regarding particular lead or particular opportunity, that will get tracked on the on that record itself. It's not on the chatter home. So finding that finding your communication with your team will be very easy. Okay, so you just go to the particular lead or opportunity record, and you will find the communication regarding that lead in the chatter section. In the related section, you can see this duplicate. We found no potential duplicate of this lead record because Salesforce has the standard duplicate rules. They'll check the duplicate records, and we can customize that duplicate rule according to your requirement. Okay, when this path is also visible, now you can see initially this lead was open, not contacted. Once we started working on that lead, we can mark this lead as working contacted. Okay, that means right now we are nurturing that lead. Once we found that this person is interested in buying our product, so we can mark it as a converted. Okay, once we convert this lead, the system will create three kind of record: account, contact, and opportunity. Okay, so as we have three types of information available on lead. One is personal information, second is company information, third is product information. So company information will become the account. Okay, personal information will become the contact under that account, and the product information, whichever product this customer is inquiring about, that will become your opportunity. So let's convert this lead, and we'll show you the next flow. Let's click on convert. So now here you can see whatever account name we have mentioned on the lead, that is appearing over here. To create new account record, also we have option to choose the existing. If the customer is already exist in your system, you no need to create the duplicate record. This contact or this opportunity will get tagged to the existing customer itself. So right now we don't have any existing customers, so what we'll do, we'll create account. Then you can see name is get got captured over here in the contact. So this is personal information. Then opportunity, we can create it from here. Okay, and whom this opportunity or record we need to assign, that we have to select the records owner, and the status, we have to select the status of that lead. So we are going to convert this, so we'll mark it as a close converted. Just click on convert. Now system is creating three different records. So now your lead has been converted, account record get generated, contact get generated, and opportunity got generated. Now we'll visit the account record. So here this account is nothing but your customer information. So whatever whichever company has inquired about this your product, so that company name will appear as the account over here. Is in all the information regarding account will be visible over here along with the address. Okay. Also, you can modify this address, and you can track different addresses like billing addresses as well as shipping address, then customer priority information. Okay, also we have different types, whether it's prospect, direct customer, partner, reseller, right? This kind of information we can capture over here, and rating for that customer. Also, you can see this in the activity section. Whatever activity which we have created on the lead section, got copied into the account now. As we converted that lead, that all the information which we have captured on the lead, it get captured on the account. So that you can track this after lead get qualified. Okay. And also here also in related section we can find multiple information like contact person. We have created three records: account, contact, and opportunity. So contact record will be visible over here. It may happen that you are communicating with this company and you have multiple contact persons, so you will get this new option. By using this new option, you can create another contact person. So Vartha Boxer was first contact person which we are having with this company. Okay. So now if you want to create another contact person, you can create it from here. So you have to fill the personal information, phone number, then uh, other information like address information. Okay, you can fill up, and this is the standard field. Also, we got one opportunity created once we after we convert the lead, so that opportunity will be visible over here, and you'll have option to create the multiple opportunity. If they are raising some cases, so that will be that we can track it over here. If any document we need to track for that customer, so we can track it from the partner notes and attachment, and this partner is also visible over here. You can track from that related list. Okay. Here again on the button also we'll be able to find new contact, new case, new opportunities. So whatever option we have seen on the related list, that everything we can see it over here. Okay. So this is all about account records. Now what we'll do, we'll go ahead and see the opportunity. Once we go click on the opportunity, so now you can see. So Bertha Boxer has inquired about some product. We have captured her lead. Then we done the follow up. Once we done the follow up, we nurture that lead, and now we found that this person is interested in our product. Okay, so we converted that lead into account, contact, and opportunity. Okay, so at this particular stage, our opportunity is on the prospecting stage. Okay. Also, you can find these activities which you have done on the lead is available over here. Now we can fill up the other information. We can have the communication with the that person, and we can capture the other information. Like we go ahead on the opportunity. Now we can see. Let me edit this opportunity. I'll edit on the pop-up mode. Now you can see. So whatever amount this opportunity is to, name of the opportunity, which account this opportunities belong to, type of that opportunity, whether it's existing customer, new customer. For example, it's new customer. Source of that lead. So for an example, it's a phone inquiry. Close date, tentative close date we can specify. So for example, 1 month, within 1 month you think that this will get closed. So we can mark as whatever next step we have to follow, we can mark it as stage. Currently it is prospecting stage. So system will automatically show you the probability on that particular stage. Okay, whether it's belong to particular campaign, so you can specify whether it's belong to some campaign or not, so that we can capture the campaign revenue. Then order number, that once we close the opportunity, that will be visible. And if you want to track any description, you can track it over here. Just click on save. Now after discussing with that person, you got to know about the product they are looking for. So we have this product option over here. So you can just click on add product. Here we'll get the add product and choose price book option. Before adding product, we have to select the price list. Which price list we need to follow. So for an example, standard price list is there. So I can create this custom price list also. Okay. So what is that price list, that I'll show you. Okay. But now I have selected the standard price book, and I will add the product. Once we click add product, so all the products which are there in the standard price book, that will be visible over here. For example, my this customer is looking for these two products. So what I can do, I can select these two products and we click on next. Once we click on next page, we'll be able to add the quantity. For example, they are looking for one quantity for this product and two quantity for this product. So we can specify the quantity. The sales price will automatically appear from the price book. Also, you'll get option to modify this price. Okay. If you want to modify, you can modify. A date and line description. What if you want to add some description, you can add over here. Okay. And we'll click on save. Once we click on save, these two products will get added on that opportunity, and you can see this amount will be visible over here. So it is nothing but the total amount of these two products. Okay. So now what we can do, we can do the follow up with this person. Okay, we can call it, we can mark this, and accordingly we can mark this stage. For an example, if this person is, I found that this is qualified opportunity, so what I can do, I can mark in the qualified stage. Okay, if we need to do the detail analysis of his requirement, now they are looking for this product, but if I have to do the detail analysis, I'm working on that, so I can mark this lead as a need analysis. Okay, whenever this customer asks for the proposal or pricing quotation, so we can mark this as a value proposition, sorry, we can mark it as a proposal or price quote. So these are the different stages available: value proposition, decision makers, perception analysis, then the proposal quotation. So we can, whenever they are asking for quotation, so we can mark it as a proposal quotation. So at this stage, we have one option over here, and we can create the quotation. But right now, as we can see, this is a fresh org. This option is not enabled yet. We need to enable that option, and then we can create the quotation from system, and we can send that itself. Okay. Next step, once we send the quotation, customer is asking for some more discount on that quotation. So what we can do, we can mark our opportunity on the negotiation and review stage. That means we are doing the negotiation with customer, and what we can do at the stage of negotiation, if a customer is asking some other product, or he is asking some discount, we can just click on this and we can modify the pricing, or else we can go ahead and we can specify the discount for this particular product. We just have to click on product, and here you'll get option to add the discount also. Okay, so this field is not on the layout as we not modified, but yes, we can add that discount field over here, and user will be able to add the discount from itself. So once a valid negotiation is done and customer is ready to purchase or give the PO, purchase order, so we can mark this opportunity as closed. Okay, in this close stage we have two options, either close won or close lost. For an example, in case customer is not ready to give a PO, that means buy from you, in that case, what we can do, you can mark this opportunity as close lost. That means we lost this business. Okay, but if it is ready to purchase, then what we can do, we can mark it as a closed one, and we can save it. Now you can see this opportunity was a closed one. That means this person has purchased these products from you. Okay, and then we can follow the next process. So this is how we can use Sales Cloud application to capture the opportunity, and this is the standard fresh org. You can modify, like if you need to enable the quotation. So if you want to see the next step, what we can do, we can go ahead and we can enable the quotation, and we can use quotation module also. Then we can use the sales order also. Now what I'll do, I'll show you how to create, how to view the reports and dashboard, how to track that information. So here we'll have report option available in the standard, okay, standard org. So we can create new reports from here, also create new folder. But if you want to check the standard report, just click on all reports available, all reports option, and here you can see sample report is there. Okay, let me check if there is any other report. So some I'll see what reports are available. Share with me, there is no reports. Okay, so we'll have some standard reports available, or we can create report and dashboard from here. So now we'll go ahead and we'll show the dashboard. Dashboard is nothing but the visual representation of your reports. So let's click on all folder. I don't think so there is any dashboard, as this is the fresh org. In later videos, I'll show you how we can create that. So report and dashboard is not available. This group is, we have already seen the chatter group, so that is there. Then we can see the calendar option. All the events which are there, we can track it on the calendar. So this is the calendar. Here you can see I have scheduled one meeting on the birth with the Bertha Boxer 1 to 2 p.m. So that is visible over here. So you'll be able to get the calendar review. You can decide whether you want to day wise, then monthly view on this particular calendar. Next we have cases. So whatever customer complaints are there, if you want to track that complaint, so you can use this case module. Okay, Next, we have forecast. So this forecast option is there, but we have not yet set this forecast. So for that also we need to do some setup. Okay. So I will show you this in the later videos. Now what we'll do, we have seen up to the opportunity. I'll show you one more option, quotation. We'll just enable that quotation and we'll show, see how simple how simple is the configuration. So let's go to the setup, and this option will be available only for admin accounts. So we have to visit the setup, and here you have to type the quotation, that means quote setting. Just click on quote setting, and from here you can enable the quote. Just go ahead and enable the quote. And you want to add it to related list of opportunity, you can add it. Just click on save. So all related list you want to append, so just click on add and save. Okay, now you have enabled the quotation. Now go ahead and check the quotation module over here. You'll find that related to the opportunity as well as new tab. Just go to the opportunity, we'll open any one record for particular opportunity. Go ahead and select the open opportunity as these two opportunities are closed. So for example, I'll take one opportunity which is there in the price. Now you can see this opportunity is there in the proposal negotiation stage, proposal price stage. So what I'll do, I'll add one product and we'll create the quotation for that. Add product, select one product, quantity 1, and save. Once you save this product, now what we can do, we can create the quotation. So you can see this quote related list is appearing now. Previously it was not there. So to create quotation, we just have to click on new quote, give the quotation name and expiry date. For example, United Oil Refinery, oil refinery. Okay, quote. Okay. So this is name you can give. You can give the expiry date for that quotation. For example, I want to make this valid for 29th February. You can add the status, whether it's in draft or what status it is. Then tax, we can specify. So whoever is the contact person, that contact person we can select it for quotation. For example, Bertha Boxer or the contact person, and you can see all address information is get captured from account. Once we save this, once we click on save, so quotation will get created, and we can visit the quotation record over here. Okay. Also, you can see all the information about that person, and all information about the pricing, product, that everything is visible over here. Now I want to submit this quotation for approval. Okay, as we can give the discount on the quotation. Okay, let me check whether discount, yes, a discount is available. For an example, I have given 4% discount for that product while doing the negotiation. Now I want to I want to approve this discount from my internal team or my manager. So what I can do, I can submit this quotation for approval. For standard, we have in this standard we will not get any approval process on this quotation, but we can mark this in the here on the stages. And by using customization, we can create the approval process. So for an example, I need a review for this quotation, so I can mark this quotation in the review stage. Okay. For example, once review is done and my manager has approved this record, so what I can do, I can mark this record as a approved stage. If it rejected, I can mark is rejected. Once I present this quotation to the customer, I can mark this uh, quotation stage as a presented one. And once customer accepted, we can mark it as accepted. If it is rejected by customer, we can mark it as a denied. Okay, this is how we can see it. But to send the or to generate the PDF of that quotation, we have option over here, create PDF. Once we click on the create PDF, system will show you this quotation in the PDF format. And here you can see this PDF. Now you can see Yeah, only custom company name is there, that means Cloudwaale, address, created it, some basic information is there, and the pricing detail. Okay, but this is the standard template. You can modify this template as per your requirement, whether you want to add some header, footer, then logo of your company, then this information you want to change, whatever information you want to display or not, that everything we can modify. Okay, and again we have option to download this quotation PDF over here, take a printout, or else what you can do, you can save and say email this quotation directly from the system itself. If you are okay with this preview, that quotation is all fine, then you want to send it to the customer, what you can do, you can send it from here itself. You can click on send, save and send quotation. System will send this quotation to person which is there on the quotation. Like you can see, we have added the contact person as Bertha Boxer. So system will send this quotation PDF to the Bertha Boxer. Now you can see the system is attached the quotation file over here, PDF file, and they are giving this option to select the template, and we can send it from here itself. This is the one option. Or else what we can do, we can generate the quotation PDF and we can send it through the your email application. So for that, what we can do, we can download, we can directly download it from the this option. Okay. Also save to quote option is also there. Once we click on save to quote, system will generate the PDF and it will save that PDF over here in the PDF code PDF section. Okay. Also notes and attachment, you can see these two PDFs are visible. Okay. So this is how we can track the quotation over here. So this is the standard flow. We have not modified anything in the system till now. Okay. Only quotation enable option is there, that we have changed. Other thing is the standard. Okay. Now what we can do, this is the standard flow and standard application. Now what we can do, we can modify everything from here. For an example, now you can see this logo. From logo to all the fields, all we can modify. For example, you don't want to see the quarterly performance dashboard, you can modify and you can place some other dashboard over here. You don't want this assistant over here, then or you want some other component to be visible over here, that we can modify. Even for chatter also, we can create group, we can have the different campaigns or some different view for this campaign creation page. Okay, then this related list, everything we can modify from here, and we'll see in the next videos how we are going to modify this, or how we are going to uh, utilize this Salesforce for best way how we can utilize this Salesforce, that we are going to see in the next video. Like lead, what are the different standard features available for this lead? We have just seen the overview. In next video, I'll show you how we can track this other information. Or if you want to create the new fields, you need to add new fields, or you need to set up some automation. That everything we can do it by using customization, point and click functionalities. Okay, that we are going to show in the next video. So thank you so much. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.